We all need an extra hand at some point in our life, from a tool that can help us grab out-of-reach objects, a step stool to give us a little boost for picking up something from a shelf to a gripper to get a better grip on handles. Whether it's due to an injury, general mobility limitations, recent operation, or backache, we all have felt the need for a tool that can make things easier for us. A grabber reacher tool gives you that extended reach to pick up anything from a few feet distances without having to bend over or straining your muscles. Some heavy-duty models can even pick up a brick, but most people need a basic model that can scoop up dropped items. We've rounded up some of the finest grabber reacher tools of 2023 with a functional grabbing mechanism and a decent length to help with your purchase. Number 1. EZPIK Grabber Reacher Tool. This grabber tool by EZPIK features two neodymium magnets that make it easy to pick up small metallic items like nails, screws, coins, and batteries. This tool not only features two hinges to fold it into a 15 inches compact unit for portability. Featuring a patented oversized latch, this reacher tool has a vertical load capacity of up to 5 pounds and a horizontal load capacity of 2 pounds. This EZPIK patented locking mechanism and high-strength aluminum tubes gives you the rigidity and safety you need for heavy-duty cleaning operations. The soft but tough silicone rubber coating on the claws ensure items are well secured and the grippers will last. Designed to be lightweight and extremely easy to use, you can use this grabber for an extended period without straining your arms. Another great feature of this grabber tool is that it comes in different lengths to match your needs. Boasting an ergonomic design and high-strength aluminum tubes, this grabber reach has earned the top spot on our list. Number 2. VIVE Grabber Reacher Tool. Versatility never seems to end with this grabber reacher tool by VIVE. It can double as a light bulb remover, garden nabber, extended arm, or a long-handled trash litter picker. Featuring a suction cup, this reacher makes it easy to grab items without constantly twisting or bending. The wide leaf-style jaws and the ergonomic trigger handle offer a tight grip on the object and a comfortable grip for the hands. Easily change light bulbs without using a hazardous step stool. Strong rubber suction cups provide a secure grip on any item, including smooth or slippery objects like glass or metal, without damaging the surface. The wide leaf-style jaws close tight enough to retrieve dropped coins or pills with ease while having the strength to hold items weighing up to 5 pounds. This reacher qualifies as a niche product due to its unique design that efficiently holds fragile objects without damaging the surfaces. With a 32 inches arm, you won't need to ask for anyone's help for your daily tasks. Number 3. RMS Medical Solutions Reacher Tool. Available in a set of 2 grabber reacher tools, this option comes in handy for those who have different needs. The 19 inches grabber is suitable for use in smaller spaces or around the house to pick up items like a bottle or TV remote, and the 32 inches grabber is ideal to pick up trash or litter. With the 90 degrees rotatable jaws having a rubberized covering, you can use them without scratching the surfaces. The shaft is made from rust-proof lightweight aluminum and the internal wire is made from steel cable for durability and ease of use. Featuring steel cable internal wires and a rust-proof, aluminum shaft, these will stand the test of time. Plus, the rotating jaws can lock at 90 degrees for horizontal and vertical use. The best part? They boast padded ergonomic handles to offer you the most comfortable grip for extended use. Number 4. ZAYAD Grabber Reacher Tool. Made of highly durable aluminum alloy, this tool is not only sturdy but also makes labor-intensive tasks a breeze for people with arthritis or carpal tunnel syndrome. This grabber features textured rubberized ends that don't fall off and make it easy to grab 1 to 2 pounds of objects. We love the foldable design that shortens its length and makes it portable. Use lightweight aluminum alloy material, reduced labor intensity, WTH arthritis and carpal tunnel syndrome, and need products like this which are easy to use. The 32 inches arm of this grabber is long enough to accommodate you in routine tasks, and the textured grip provides accuracy when holding smaller objects. Featuring a rotating jaw with a pivot of 360 degrees, you can use this grabber to pick up items both vertically and horizontally. Number 5. SAYMETO Grabber Reacher Tool. Looking for something affordable for your grandparents to help them with mobility? Buy this reacher designed specifically for the elderly. Its jaws can rotate 360 degrees in 90 increments, making it an all-rounder for old people with limited mobility to have access to hard-to-reach places like under the bed or behind the furniture. Adopt folding-type design, shorten length, facilitate outdoor carry, also can collect in the cabinet, make the home puts more neat and beautiful. This grabber reacher tool is coated with an anti-slip material that makes it easy for the user to lift slippery items like glass. Plus, the textured rubberized ends make it easy to grab items weighing up to 2 pounds without having to bend or needing a stoolie. It gets work done, reduces labor intensity, and makes life easier. What else could one wish for, right?